A video circulating widely on social media shows controversial businessman KUTYA Tagwirei firmly dismissing rumors that he plans to run for the president of Zimbabwe. Ndisada mashoko oshamisa vanhu vati Tagwirei uyo achipitura mashoko otogwa nana Tungwarama speeches achinzi aiwa akuzviti His Excellency auda kutungamira nyika yeZimbabwe. Panguva inoitora headline rokuda nyika kuti Tagwirei quashes rumors of presidential ambitions. Pledges loyalty to mnangagwa. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Zvaita gonzo nachingai panguva inotiendera mberi mumnangagwaZim. In the clip, Tagwirei makes it clear that his focus remains on business and expresses full support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa. When asked directly if he harbored presidential ambitions, Tagwirei responded bluntly, "There is no vacance in the office of the president. President E.D. Mnangagwa is the president until 2030. I am a businessman. Stop being foolish." The video has been interpreted by many as a bold statement of loyalty, with Tagwirei making it clear that his focus remains on business rather than politics. Social media users have shared the clip widely, with some praising his directness, while others have highlighted it as a rare and ambiguous statement from a prominent businessman amid ongoing speculation in political circles. The video reinforces Tagwirei's position as a private sector leader, distancing himself from rumors about seeking public office and sending a clear message that he supports the current presidential leadership. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ine. Tinoti paThe Mudududu News pana panoposta the video vanyora vachiti ndikunzwe futi madonono muchiti he timu president Miss Y. Ndo mashoko anobuda nyoko panguva ino. Tagwirei achidismisa achiti aiwa ndini nditororoya kune mutungamiri wenyika ariko kusvika ku2030. Ndo mashoko ataugwa panguva ino naTagwirei. Pinda comment section yedu dzemafungiro enyu motudei pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chatonda bell icon.